Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's program, we will cover 4 important updates. First, Lake State leader rejecting the idea to move Puot Kang trial from Juba to Rumbek. Second, we will look at civil society calling on President Salva Kiir Mayardit to appoint a woman as finance minister. And third, we will talk about MTN South Sudan apologizing after one of its agents refused to accept mobile money. And finally, we will look at a deeper look at what South Sudan future might look like if President Salva Kiir Mayardit and his first Vice President Dr. Kang continue to disagree as election approach. Before we start with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. It is very important that you subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Let us start with the first top story. Lake State leader reject proposal to move Puot Kang trial to Rumbek. According to a report, leader in Lake State have turned down a proposal to move the special court trial of Minister Puot Kang Chul and 7 others from Juba to Rumbek. Sources say that Vice President for Economic Cluster Dr. Bullmill had suggested to President Salva Kiir Mayardit that the trial be moved, claiming that the large crowd in Juba were increasing the popularity of Dr. Machar, the first Vice President. President Salva Kiir reportedly discussed this idea with the governor of Lake State, Rin Mabotwing, who then consulted local stakeholders, according to the information. But the people of Lake State rejected the move. They argue that the trial should stay in Juba, or if moved at all, be taken to Akun, Warab State, not to their land. According to Honorable Joel Nomngek Daniel, the Vice President for Economic Cluster, Dr. Bullmill, this situation is becoming more political than legal. And Joel Nomngek Daniel warned that justice must not be used as a political tool, and he called on the judiciary to protect its independence and credibility. Observers say moving such a sensitive trial could cause public confusion and tension, especially when the country is already struggling with unity and stability. In such a report, for now, the trial will continue in Juba until further notice, but the question remains, is the process about justice or politics? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this story. Our second top story, President Salva Kiir Mayardit urged to appoint a woman as finance minister. Let's look at this report. From Rumbek, a strong voice has come out from civil society. Angelina Adel Malwal, the chairperson of the civil society group or civil society organization network in Lake State, has called on President Salva Kiir Mayardit to appoint a woman as South Sudan's next Minister of Finance. Speaking to Radio Tamazuch, she said, men have controlled the finance minister since independence in 2011, and all we have seen, she said, is corruption, lack of accountability, and economic hardship. They'll say it, this minister has been corrupted by men. Let it be given to us women so we can also look into it. Women are managers at home. We know how to manage even when there is little. She added that South Sudanese families are under serious pressure due to months of unpaid salaries, a shortage of cash, and the sharp fall of the South Sudanese pound. Families are breaking apart, people are going mad, and children are dropping out of school, she warned. Her message to Salva Kiir Mayardit was very clear. If men are so corrupt, let us try women. We are not that corrupt. In response to the worsening economy, President Salva Kiir Mayardit recently reappointed Barnaba Chol as Minister of Finance, replacing Atian Ding Atian. Barnaba Chol promised to bring back discipline, stabilize the exchange rate, and ensure salaries are paid on time. But people like Angelina Adel believe it is time to give women a chance, not just to talk about change, but to actually lead it. Will President Salva Kiir Mayardit take this advice? Only time will tell. Let's move on to our third top story. MTN apologized after agent reject Momo payment. Let's move to a corporate story now. MTN South Sudan has issued a public apology after one of its agents refused to accept Momo mobile money payment from a customer at an MTN service point. The issue went viral after a social media user posted that an MTN outlet had rejected Momo payment, something that shocked many considering the company push for digital transactions. MTN launched an internal investigation and confirmed that the problem came from a third-party vendor who was operating inside MTN premises. In a statement released on Thursday, MTN apologized to the customer and took disciplinary action against the vendor, saying Momo is accepted at all MTN touchpoints nationwide. We remain committed to ensuring this does not happen again. MTN also reminded customers that over 1 million people in South Sudan currently use Momo, handling transactions with more than 9 billion South Sudanese pounds daily. The company added that it promoting digital payment to reduce the cash crisis in the country. It even offered a 25% bonus on airtime and data purchase through Momo as part of its Shukron Junubin campaign. The Central Bank of South Sudan has also recognized mobile money as a legal form of payment, part of its plan to increase financial inclusion by 2027. However, despite progress, many businesses still reject digital payment, a challenge that MTN say it is working hard to fix. Let's move on to our fourth top story. Please save the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. What is the way forward for South Sudan if President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar cannot work together? Now for our final story, and perhaps the most important question in South Sudan today: what is the future of this nation if President Salva Kiir and Dr. Machar cannot find common ground? The people of South Sudan have waited patiently for the national election scheduled for December 22nd, 2026. But as we speak, there is little progress in the electoral process. Security arrangement or constitutional preparation need to make the vote possible. Many citizens are losing hope, saying that the leaders are too divided to move the country forward. President Salva Kiir Mayardit, SPLM faction, President Kiir SPLM faction, and Dr. Riek Machar SPLM-IO continue to disagree on security reform, unification of forces, and electoral roadmap. Salva Kiir is saying SPLM-IO is now ready. But without security reform, unification of forces, and the electoral roadmap, nothing will move on. And without permanent constitution, nothing can be done. Without this step, a fair and peaceful election will be very difficult to hold. Experts and civil society are warning that continued division could push the country back into instability. Ordinary citizens, ordinary South Sudanese, who suffered for decades during the civil war, say they want peace and development, not more political fighting. People on the street of Juba, Bentiu, and Bor are asking one simple question: when will our leader finally think about the people instead of themselves? If President Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar cannot agree, some say it might be time for new leadership, fresh mind who can unite the nation and focus on the economy, education, and basic services. Others, however, believe that both men must finish what they started, to stabilize the country and lead it to its first peaceful election since independence. Whatever happened, one thing is clear: the people of South Sudan deserve leaders who will put peace before politics. And that's the message many are sending to Juba today. Joe Banlinge, Ban Rakitin Kona Shari and Lare Wika South Sudan. Ani biya Kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Gwad bukon leher bukon Kalington. Gwad mete kon ka leher shup kong wana ken kono nyam gorno jin be subscribed. Ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mite mishi bari gwad bishon mala shubikiji. Gwad dana pa elarech. Bana right. Katin kon itu to kon ka leher shup kong wan. Men nyam ban right ki Lake State. Gwad michala dano pot Kang chol. Kane dang barotin kokien wona ka Dr. Machar wa de lubdien de jakap. Doran shal kerubek ban joling lerma rewde civil society rewich ke Juba ki en gwal tigatin ne kon dir ke tingna te la mala roj kani president Salva Kiir Mayardit der shik der la kwanya la kwari yone so wuni wa chiga corrupt diodien barwa ke PMTN South Sudan chicken dia lar ka korga michran dia ran la dia MTN chelu no kam go yorar la mobile money ka ngar dien ka application dien ko chicken la no gorga no de ka let ke kum South Sudan kel ko de yude ka kam krar bat chi agent dien chelu no de yude kamra ban jeling ngwan dien ban right ke qui Dr. Machar kana Kiir Mayardit michigan let kel ngum betore wi ka South Sudan jendan ban linga jel heramane Lernem gos memen bana kwen men chalat rewik Lake State chalat ro chikan logo no bi kan pot Kang kan ne dang barotin ko kien bi kan kanang re wedien ala goro jen wade ka we rewik Juba de ga nang ka kerumbe ka jodan chalat lo de look de jo goran tongmi ka jo ma chalat ke social media gos memen ku kon lo kwen quarten konen te ka Lake State waji kan logo no ba pot Kang chol kan ne dang barotin konen chaga yen kel en wo ba lugdien ba ja kap kurumbek waji kan lok no ka jom chalat gwase me wa vice president Bolmel Dr. Bolmel wa she president Salva Kiir Mayardit jogo no de look Dr. Machar ke Puot Kang kene dang bakale ko kende jakap Karumbe wa ci selpa ke yadit shanok kan wana ma wa ci right ka kwaren konenten winami man lat ke je gwazmi wade ko ke jere wicca ka juba wa ci na ci ka ngwana long ci ne ngwan ci ka ngwana long wa Dr. Machar pone wa ko popularity ko je gain ke cha ngaje long lo chala lerche chal nung jaga marka de nyok lo ge jeno dongde ne ngwan de kana kwany ka do bran lo ko je ga wa de je la wojre wi ka juba de nang Karumbe ka jodan chalat Dr. Machar the first vice president President Salva Kiir yadi chala den wona na chikan char mo chikan lat kana governor dung Lake State wuri shal kerin ma botwen mi wa chala do chikala raj bokane ko kena konti la ji wede ko do badan de Dr. Machar kan ji kwar de ganang ka dar shal Karumbe ka ja wa ci ne ko de Lake State wa ci kana lok ci kana rejak chikan lat no luka lo ka jere wi ka juba kan ci ne goro lu bay lu ray weda kamishe jan mi lug yana no ba lug ba ji luku juba Dr. Machar kana Puot Kang kana ko ken akananga ka gwada chal ka kon ka Warab State no kana acha no munda lera mem lin kon me la the honorable Joel Nomngek Daniel no jen Jordan en chalat chalat wonena ajene vice president doing economy cluster bull mill shalaran go neme jene ci case me jene wa chele la legal more political legal or more political than legal la wa chagu jeno ko ladjere wiki juba and look chagu jeno men tin e siyasa ki politic chagu jeno de je woch chaje de la re wi de jena wi de den no so mi chit kana me chakul jimon chakul jogu ne wude men go ladjena mo chi chong ine ma dan ladjena chine ngach ko ma ladjena chelung wode langot na me chaile use la political tool chol kan ji judiciary ne de kontungot pindien ano gange independence and credibility ka kui logdana gwala tup ka cha luk cha bi la reject de la yanjan ko do mo charge bilinga je ki mai kana ka jem ka misha to observer ji kan la do ne na me bejelon ko mishit kana me mede look there we jack gwan mi mo chui na ko de na de kamat ka gori jeno country de te kamal so che diam gwano de na de kan nang re wucin gini mi ko we jeno reng ma char kan ji kwa de ga lun ko cha gor no wuj bela wore kore so jo me di yene ling ora mi chala de no ne na wa Puot Kang kan Dr. Machar ke ne ken ko ken wa de ga were wi ke juba de ga nang Karumbe ler den ban len gwasa me sha selbe ke mi yadit kwar selbe ke mi yadit ta jogo no jin dere shek dere yela kwany la ran yun ramdan la yula ka ke jin ban len ona shi civil society shi garoj ramdan la kwar shale Angelina Del Malwal Sheikh Michal ke Angelina Del Malwal again chairperson of civil society organization network Lake State chairperson selbe ke mi yadit che chol kalere je message no nene dere gwan wo dere shek la kwany la South Sudan snake minister of finance dere shek dere la kwany la kwar jone jen chero ke radio tamazuch chala do nene jen wona shikane timo chaga control ayo no jen finance minister ne de kone kepa ke wuni atu ne ke independent ke 2011 ne de kona la mala lat kelet ke wuni tele shek mu cham kwany ajeni kine ne wuni shikan corruption jikana lat kana wuni ba tiga lack of accountability chang tiran te mije ke la cha ja guru no ba la do no mo mije ka nyok jakan economy ko ka be bech ajenna me ci wuni chikan lat chikan kwich ajeni ne na del sheka me chara ne na ajeni ko chi minister shi wuna kai chika corrupt ke chika sham je chikan nyot gwad mi mo sham kan kwa which dungme de minister of finance de la kam wun de la kam mendera gwalon ko men kane to go men kane to kon la de ala kan ka manager ching ngum de kan chicken kwa go chicken ga manage ke jamo la men la kala mo ke chance changa de tot le na ne shek mute ching changa motor long la ja de ka gat ke barong kane tin kon la jiching chala do ne na jene South Sudan families chui na lung jiwich pet one tele yo to one ke la salaries ko tele yo jene South Sudan is spawn bo yo South Sudan chik chik ko gen cho kwa jene to one dagana jene temne to one china yong jene gat chik dul gor chikana lok ne dial chiram lanum dana lede jene me mismanagement ka kuma kane ko na la une joga selpa kim yadi den wo la ne la kam kuer kon men kwa ni shigla minister of finance kwa kwich mi be kim yadi be no ke cheje bon no riede mene ngai kon ke jan kor gwa da pai which minister of finance do den che kwan che bak barna ba chol che kwan che atian ding atian che je joj jan muku mali shuren tame ko tame la ram wi anu be corruption be corrupt bramo nu jin selpa kim yadi le ko le la kamen man chikana mo chikana tiech question o en kim yadi beje no to be kwar kam jamen kwar yuni ki be tuok so gwasen be bele tuok gwaden be chana right gwasem ke ta dan chalar ke jenu MTN wa chicken dur chikana lar kan teken ka application inshallah momo payment wa kan te karam kel mi chigen lo cha yo cha u kamrar ka momo mobile money gwal mi cha jugo ya kam yukura ko ntem sala mi ya jala kala de ka momo mobile money mi tepin MTN application ateken ke jene so je teke jen kel ka mi she logo no jene be yo ba kamrar la no chine accept aramomo a third party vendor mi chala de MTN wa chara mo cha jiga ken karamo ken bi kana tet kama jega dana chalat yana kula jugo no nene men cha lad ram mi chwa dier ke je conduct a disciplinary action bene kan against the vendor ko ngai ne no momo che tin je ko na chala che ka accept no ba ka yal ka kan dial jani gone no bene let ke ne ko kontre wi ka South Sudan ban ngai kon diale momo ne shawar ga je tanya no ne na belet kel kanai ko la tere wi ka South Sudan murai ko na tema atikan kanai ko 1 million people to use ke momo application dire wi ka South Sudan kan je MTN ne ti cho 1 million winyam no lo chirmi kan per day ki daily la kan 9 billion South Sudanese pound la kan ka jak la transaction dana to bi yo jaki yo bi receive when kan 9 billion South Sudanese pound daily so la de long and momo ajikan kula da no rameda ne chiranu jogo no cha yo cha ka bu kamrar ka momo kan ne na me to kala to ramo chine gor ka chine jek so bi ne ku deal ka ja ku kan la lat ka kor ka me cha cha je chir ko online cha ka condemn ko manan cha la de jendien so na me mi choro la but right now kan chi ka apologize ka jodan kan lat cha na ben kala ra jog den gwasmene kir me yadit kan Dr. Machar ladien kel chati kanu ne na michi selpa kim yadit kan Dr. Machar mi kan bilet kel ngum betwok in short ngai kono no akor gurga jelong no de Dr. Machar kan ki de let kel kala din kel o ba national election ba jalat ke December 22nd 2026 du no ala election charge de lan mekan titi kan go konlat ala electoral process ka security arrangement ka constitutional preparation ka gen unification of forces la security arrangement ti diali mekan go konlat tel gwan de ko in kwade jelat ke je tel gwan de malder ben ka je so president Salva Kiir yadi la de genor ne ko nen dong lo ko malay jene Dr. Machar la ko respile mayo ka espile mayo ne Ramadan long malay kim yadit kangai kon diale malay chata ke 2018 tanya Dr. Machar kene kire jene kureng Machar ko le jene je ko le yike juba je ko ba malam ba je continue but kir je kan che gorno dong te ko malam betany so ram ke ba ro te gare ka nga e kire mi yadit jen mo kuna la te jeno kira no gono bi malbo ben mi jen woj ba je woj ba ro de divide kam mi jen kan kwa dang ro mi kane te dong che goro bi malbo ten de ne ko kene la kwar ko kene de le ben de li adar ngogre wi ka South Sudan baramadan gu kenedial enga e kirmi yadi de jaramdan te power ne ka gwade dan ci korji to ga jaramdan la jokano election alat ke but ki tala do jen dole ko gu jen run dong mi sha election cha jo la dong dere boy ke dere fail so kuje mo she gurno dere ko mo dere to ke dere power dere jelus so jen do dan le rodo jen mu ku dar ma char ko te jen tam lo ka je ko she gurno bireng ma char borodo kwan la kwer ko gu jen mu re ma char mu wewe alo ba bala boro la campaign ke ba je vote jen dong ba kom ba je kan but ku inquiry jen probability ke chere ka o milar jen wono be pen tara ki be pen bubka taram ngaje outcome de so jo me jen jo dan gorno de nyak kon kel ci kon li ngalungo tin kon lat ko rodien en ban nyu je le rodien bi at ko mal bye bye